In this video, we're going to be drawing a pumpkin. We're going to start our drawing with peach color. The peach color will allow us to make a light colored outline. Next, we will use orange. The orange will help to darken the outline. The orange will also allow us to make choices with the overall shape of the pumpkin. Now we will use grass green. We will start to make our choices about the outline of the stem with grass green. Now we will use poppy red. With poppy red, we can start to add some value and create some shadows around the ribs. We will continue to use the poppy red to help fill in the color of the rind or skin. Since we are working on the rind, we will again use the orange color. The orange color over the poppy red will start to darken the area around the ribs. Now we will use black cherry to darken the shadows around the ribs. We will again use poppy red. With the poppy red, we will continue to add value around the ribs. These longer and darker strokes will add some texture to the rind. We will continue the longer strokes with the orange color. The heavy use of orange will help establish that it is the base color. The other colors beneath it will help support the darker values of shadow. We will alternate using olive green and apple green to continue our work on the stem. We will again use black cherry. Our pumpkin looks okay with orange as the dominant color. That being said, I wanted to use black cherry to add a dark outline with more contrast. Black cherry was also added to the outline of the stem. The pumpkin could have been worked again with the orange or black cherry to make it more orange or a darker pumpkin. I wanted to stop here because I felt it was enough to keep the pumpkin mostly orange but had the contrast from the black cherry to make the ribs look deeper. Thank you for watching.